your crystal pack, which is, if you are seeing it on the website, there are so many of options for you to choose from. Do you see my nails here? Oh, yeah. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the condensed glue gel. It's really thick density, so when you're doing it, you notice that it's going to feel really thick. It's weird to move it too. So just smaller amounts, and you can blend it really nicely. So now, if you don't want any crystal placement on your velvety gels and the unicorns fine eye sheet, you can just top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and you're good to go. However, you decide to add some more crystal on, so here you go. We're gonna add is no white top coat on, and floating on the top of the crystal. Hello everyone. Bad Indians, you can check it out on our official website, and it's gonna be a special price for its Christmas in June lights as well, with a lot of options and a lot of products come along with the special kits as well. Highest quality crystals, and will last is so much longer, within 2 to 6 weeks, using its Trifecta methods, crystal Trifecta methods. So I'm gonna add, this is one of my, this is for a lot of you love, like, I'm gonna add just that right in the middle. And now I'm going to incorporate with a glow in the dark kits. No space in here to show you with glow in the dark kits, but I'm gonna show you shortly. Hey, so really simple, easy way to do. You are going to place your beautiful centerpiece here. The centerpiece in this beautiful design is the drop, and I am going to place it first and then apply the smaller SS along with. I'm not using all different colors. This is come from the kits, glow in the dark kits. So I move the kits because it's getting you can't see it. It's really simple. With this, you can definitely upsell the service, which is your velvety gel. You're using encapsulate your fine eye sheet underneath. It costs at least $5 to $6. It really depends on the salon location. And now you are adding your a crystal placement. So this is really simple and easy way to do when you are having clients that love your AB, which is the AB crystal. However, this even looks so awesome with the glow in the dark crystal kits as well. I'm gonna add some beads on. This one looks really good in person. If you want to add some frame on, absolutely you can. And just add some beads on first. And where to add the beads on, the best spot to add the beads on when you are place them between the frame or between the crystals. It's the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wet top coat is it's not going to set and dry until you are going to cure it under LED lights. Hey, you good? All right, I'm gonna adjusting up first. One more beads here. So I like it like this because you can still see your beautiful fine eye sheets underneath, and then sky blinks, beautiful sky blinks from Velvetty Gels. And then you're happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds. Looks really good in person now.